In this video, we're gonna go over a quick market update. It's been quite a day in the market. Most of the cryptocurrencies are in green today. So let's go ahead and find out what happened. Okay, so today was a pretty important and very expected day in the markets overall. The Federal Reserve had a meeting today, and at 2:30 Eastern Time, they announced an interest hike of 50 point basis, which means that they increased the interest rate of 0.5%. And in simple terms, it means that if you have to borrow money, it will cost you 0.5% higher than when it was yesterday. All right, so let's go ahead and find out what happened in the Bitcoin chart. All right, so Bitcoin was trading into this falling wedge, okay? And immediately after the release of the news, which was already, we could consider it was already priced into the market, because the rumors were saying that they were going to increase the interest rate by 0.5%, and that's what happened. The other side of the story was that if they could have increased the interest rate by 0.75% or even 1%, that would have been very bad in the crypto market overall, right? So as you can see right here, Bitcoin break above this descending wedge, and right now it's sitting at 39,645, and it had a local high of $40,000. Okay, so I would say that we're not out of the woods yet. Absolutely not, because this was definitely a temporary exciting rally, and if you were in some positions and you made some profits, congratulations. I personally had only one position open, and it's still open on Matic, and I will show you that in a second. But just to give you an overall prediction about what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin, is that I believe we're going to we're going to come back around 39,100. We're going to trade sideways, and then we're probably going to take this high right here, and I do expect a rally potentially to $42,900, $43,000. Okay, and again, we are still on the macro picture, right? We're still on a downtrend. Okay, so if we have to consider overall, this is the 4-hour chart, right? We're still on a downtrend, but we have to consider that we have pretty much traded into this ascending channel for almost like 5 months now. There was a pretty strong bounce back of these lows, which could potentially lead us to a rally of about $50,000, $51,000. Okay, so a lot of cards are in the play. I just want to make sure that you're cautious with your trading, because it is a very unpredictable market at the moment. So please be cautious and trade with smaller positions, because we're definitely at a pivotal point right here. Okay, so let me show you, as I was mentioning earlier, let me show you my Matic position right here. I entered this position a few days ago actually, and it already hit my take one profit right here at $1.12. I already hit my second take profit at $1147, and my last take profit would be around 120 when this liquidity right here is going to be taken off, right? So that's my prediction. Again, very small position, right? This is about 20-25% position. It's not a full position simply because I did not trust this market, right? So I went very light on this position, and so far the direction of the market is in my favor. But this can change at any times, okay? So the other positions that I was looking at were DOT, but apparently DOT took off without me. But if it will potentially come back in this zone or around 14.5, I would reconsider enter, or maybe enter around 15.14. Okay, this is the really depends on the overall market, or on how the sentiment will move in the next few days. But my goal is to have an entering, you know, around 14.95. Okay. And then I was also looking at NIR, which had the pretty similar setup. And also I was looking at Tron, but our Tron took off already because they actually are launching their stablecoin protocol tomorrow, I believe. So today is the 4th. Yes, tomorrow there's the launch. Then it's going to be audited. So there is a lot of buzz going around in the Tron ecosystem. Okay. So other positions that I was looking at were Aster Network, which definitely has a lot of upside potential, knowing all the releases in the Polkadot ecosystem and the XMC messaging launch, and as well as Glimmer. So I'm very bullish overall on the Polkadot ecosystem. I do not have any positions in these coins as yet though. So also, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own research. This information is purely for educational and informational purposes only, all right? So do not follow what I say. Please do your own research, okay? So that was a quick market update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified about these time-sensitive videos, and make sure to always be cautious and lock in profits. All right, I'll see you in the next.